this practice, you will create a transmittal set for all of the files that are related to a sheet set. Configure the publish options for a sheet set and publish the sheet set to a single DWFx file. You will then publish a single sheet using pre-configured options. In this task, you will create a transmittal set for all of the files that are related to a sheet set. In the Sheet Set Manager, open the Sheet Set Yoke Assembly 1 from Sheet Set Project Yoke Assembly folder in the Practice File folder. Double-click on one of the sheets in the list to open it. Save the drawing. Right-click on the sheet set name, Yoke Assembly 1, and select eTransmit. In the Create Transmittal dialog box, select each of the three tabs: Sheets, Files Tree, and Files tab, and note which files are going to be included in the Transmittal package. Click Transmittal Setups. In the Transmittal Setups dialog box, verify that Standard is selected. Click New and create a copy of the standard setup name Manufacturer 1. Click Continue. In the Modify Transmittal Setup dialog box, set the transmittal package type to zip and verify that both transmittal files folders and use organizational folder structure are set to Sheet Sets, Projects, Yoke Assembly 1 in the Practice File folders. Click OK to create the setup file. In the Transmittal Setup dialog box, click Close to return to the Create Transmittal dialog box. In the Create Transmittal dialog box, in the Enter Notes to Include area, click Include Latest Client Request as of today's date. Click View Report and review the details of the transmittal. In the View Transmittal Report dialog box, click Close. Click OK to create the setup. In the Specify Zip File dialog box, accept the default name and save the zip file in the Practice File folder. Using Windows, locate the zip file in the Practice File folder. If you have WinZip available, you can also view the contents of the zip file. Do not extract the files. In this task, you will configure the publish options for the sheet set and publish the sheet set to a single DWFx file. You will then publish a single sheet using pre-configured options. If a file is not already open in the Sheet Set Manager, double-click on one of the sheets to open it. Note that a drawing must be open to use the publishing tools. In the Sheet Set Manager, expand Publish and select Sheet Set DWF Publish Options. Change the default option location to the Practice File folder. In the General DWF Options area, set the following. For the type, multi-sheet file. Naming, prompt for name. This will enable you to name the DWFx file when it is generated. Click OK to close the Publish Options dialog box. Select the sheet set name, Yoke Assembly 1, at the top of the sheet list. In the Sheet Set Manager, click Exports the selection to DWFx files. Save the file in the Practice File folder with the name Yoke Assembly 1. It should publish in the background without requiring further input. The printing icon in the status bar is animated while publishing is in progress. Close the alert balloon that opens when the process is finished. View the plot files using Autodesk Design Review software.